A secret code. Well, I think I can figure out the secret code. Let's see here. Ah! Oh my! I can help you. Oh, thank you, Big Ugly Hand.
Hello everybody, these are pages 16 and 17 in the Let's Go 3 workbook, and it's the phonics pages for this unit, phonics and reading, and this one just says match, and we're going to learn about, well, we're going to review these 3 sounds. In the book they look like this.
B-R, brown, bread. G-R, green, grapes. P-R, pretty, prune.
Okay, so let's do some burr, gur, and purr words. First one, brown, brown. Let's match that to burr. And then over here we got a prune. So let's match that down to purr. Next is a green. So let's match that to grr. Here's a harder one, ed in this case. Let's go up to br for bread. This one says grapes. So it's a grr. And the last one is pretty. Let's match it to over here, pretty. Okay, on the other side, we have to match the sounds to the pictures. So burr, and it's already matched down here to, I think that's supposed to be brown. So match it to brown, and burr to bread. Brown and bread have burr. Next, graw. We've got green, I think. And down here is grapes. Next one's the pro ones. This up here is supposed to be pretty. And right here is a prune. Okay, part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and part B just says write. So we're gonna take the different phonics words from part A and just write them down here. The first words are the BR, or bra words, and up here when I look, I can see the spelling too. We have brown, burr, brow, brown. And the second one was bread, burr, and in this case EA says bread. Next one, GR words. The first one was green, so we've got gur, and then green, and grapes. So we've got gur, grape, grapes. And the last ones are the PR words. The first one was prune, purr, and make prune. And the next one is pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Part B is done. Okay, this is part C, and it just says read. We have the reading section, and it's gonna have some of the phonics words in here that we just practiced. So we got some gur and burr and purr. And then it's also gonna have some of the words from Unit 2. So they're talking about clothing here. The title is A Tea Party, and we have to read it first. So let's go from number 1. Which skirt do you like? I like the green polka dot one, Priya. Me too. Are those new boots, Brenda? Yes, they are. They're pretty. Okay, so we've already learned a little bit. First of all, I know that she is talking and saying, which skirt do you like? So that's Priya. This is Priya. And then here, Priya is saying, are those new boots, Brenda? So we learned some names, Priya and Brenda. All right, let's keep going from number 3. What's Greg wearing? He's wearing a new plaid hat. Oh, we learned another character. Now we know Brenda, Priya, and Greg. Number 4. Prune bread, grapes, and tea. Yum! Okay, odd choices for a tea party, but that's fine. All right, the next part we have to do is the questions. Scooch it up a little bit. There we go. And remember that when we answer these questions, we have to answer in a full sentence. And also, we should be able to find our answers in the writing. Let's check out number 1. Which skirt does Brenda like? Okay, immediately I see does, so I know I have to remember. He, she, it, add the S. Okay, Brenda is, where's Brenda? This is Brenda, and they're talking about skirts. And which skirt do you like? Brenda says, I like the green polka dot one. Priya. So Brenda is a girl, so we'll start with she. It says like, so we have to write like, but we have to add an S because of she, it, add the S rule. So she likes, let me just copy from here, the green polka dot one. The green polka dot one. Done. The second one says, who has new boots? Let's find out the boots. This was skirts, this was boots. Are those new boots, Brenda? Yes, they are. Oh, so whose boots are these? They are Brenda's boots. So we're gonna write Brenda has. Who has? Brenda has. Brenda has new boots. Done. Okay. And the last one right here. Who's wearing a new plaid hat? Well, right here I can see wearing. And it says, what's Greg wearing? He's wearing a new plaid hat. So who's wearing a new plaid hat? Greg. Greg's wearing a new plaid hat. There we go. Greg. And because this said whose, we can just put Greg's, or Greg is. Greg's wearing a new plaid hat. Greg's wearing a new plaid hat. And we are all done. Good job!